Hello again. Here's another quick video for you. I'm going to show you my process that I use to take any landing page or HTML that I generate outside of my Rails project, to take it into my Rails project and apply the same theme to the whole project using Tailwind or whatever CSS technology that you choose to use. So here is the theme that we're going with today. This came out of another AI program after a conversation about marketing and whatnot. So you can have this conversation with any AI, Claude, ChatGPT, whatever it happens to be, whatever your preference is, whatever it gives you, it is very easy using only commands to apply that theme and the content into your Rails application. So let's look at this. This is a new Rails application. All I've done is scaffolded the authentication, and I've really created nothing but the basic Rails app and a home page. So as you can see, I've copied that same HTML landing page into the project directory. I'm passing it to Aider as a read-only file, and the rest of these files are passed in as fair game for Aider to change. If you're not familiar, if you haven't seen any of my videos about Aider, go find them, check them out. It's a really helpful tool, and I've got several examples of me using it in a lot of different ways. This is my favorite so far. So you can use it to redo your views. Before I show you that, let's take a look at how it looks today. This is the home page, right? This is the sign-in page that is generated with Rails using Tailwind. It's not bad, but it doesn't look like the theme that I have picked out over here. So let's look at what Aider can do. I'm going to use voice to give it some instructions. Use the author launch landing page HTML to apply a new theme to this Rails app. Apply the color scheme to Tailwind, change the layout to match, change the home page to match the same content as the landing page, and update the password and sessions new pages to match the theme as well. So here's the moment of truth. I guess we'll take a look at the sign-in screen since we already have that pulled up. All right, it matches the theme. Let's see if any of these links take us to the home page. They do not. And here's the home page. Let's take a look at how that matches up. So it's the same content, but it looks like we're missing a little bit of the layout CSS, which is okay, it'll be easy to change that. But you can see how easy it was in just one command. And then it asked me a few questions at the end. Do I want to run these commands? I already have the Tailwind Watcher running, so I don't need to worry about that. But it's easy to just dismiss the commands if you don't want to run them. You can see how, scroll up a little bit, where did it ask me about the routes? There it is. So it asked me about the routes right up here, and it noticed that it didn't have any information about what routes were in my app. So when it was making links, it didn't know exactly which URLs to use. When I gave it my routes file, it scanned it and noticed that there really wasn't anything to do there. So that's Aider, and that's the magic of using AI to really accelerate your development workflow. And I found that it works best when you're doing the UI in Rails. It understands Tailwind extremely well, and it can apply a theme from very specific specification like we did today, but I also have examples of giving it just whatever comes to the top of my mind, and it can work with that as well. So I hope that you got something out of today's video. Please like and subscribe and follow along with the future videos because there's more like this coming down the pike. I'm Caleb Lape, and thank you for watching RailsQuest. I'll see you next time.